today I am going to show you how to bake chocolate moist cake. Are you ready? Let us start!
Chocolate moist cake ingredients: 1 and 1/2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 and 3/4 cups sugar, 1 cup cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon coffee powder, 3/4 cup vegetable oil, 1 and 1/4 cups milk, 1/2 cup hot water, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 teaspoon vinegar. Tools, equipment, and utensils needed: measuring tools, sifter, mixing tools, mixing bowl, baking pans, and the oven.
These are the important reminders that we need to remember before we start baking chocolate moist cake. First, we need to wash our hands. Make sure to work with clean hands. Next, make sure to wear proper PPE. You must wear a hairnet, face mask, and an apron. Next, do the mise en place. Assemble and arrange all the needed ingredients, equipment, and tools needed in baking chocolate moist cake. Make sure to preheat the oven. It is advisable to use an oven thermometer to have an accurate oven temperature. Set the temperature knob at 150 degrees Celsius. And then, set the timer knob at 20 minutes. Now, let's prepare our pans. Brush the bottom of the pans with a little amount of oil and then line with parchment paper. Let's start making the batter. In a mixing bowl, add all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Using a spatula, combine all these dry ingredients together. Make sure that all ingredients are well distributed and well combined. It is better if you sift the combined dry ingredients again to make sure that the ingredients are well distributed. In a separate mixing bowl, add milk. And then add the vinegar. Add the egg. Add the oil. And the vanilla. Using a wire whisk, make sure to mix these liquid ingredients well. Then add sugar. We separated sugar from other dry ingredients to make sure that it will easily dissolve to avoid over-mixing of the butter.
Make a well at the center of the combined dry ingredients. Pour in the mixed liquid ingredients, then mix together.
Dissolve coffee powder in the boiling water. This will allow the coffee to easily add flavor to your chocolate moist cake. Then add to the butter mixture. And then mix again. When done mixing, you can now pour the butter mixture into your pans. Make sure to fill only 2/3 of the baking pans to give allowance for the rising of your chocolate moist cake. It's now time to bake the cake. Open the oven. Place the baking pans at the center rack. Bake the chocolate moist cake at 150 degrees Celsius for 30 to 45 minutes. If you do not have an oven, you do not have to worry because you can still have a chocolate moist cake. You can use a steamer in making it. Let us test the doneness of the cake. Using toothpick method, break your cake using a toothpick, and when it comes out clean, it only means that your cake is done. Let your baked cake cool first before removing the baking pans. And there you have it. You can now enjoy your chocolate moist cake.